Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, bring you the news that matters. And today, yes, this news, it matters. Okay, you all, I got more Samsung news for you, and as we get closer and closer to the Samsung event, we continue to get more leaks and rumors of the Galaxy Note 9, the Galaxy S10, and also the Galaxy Watch. And today, it is all about the Galaxy Watch. Now, it's been rumored that Samsung leaked this image accidentally on their website. I think it was on purpose. I think Samsung just wanted to give us a taste, a glimpse of what's to come on August 9th. So I don't think that it was an accident at all, right? Now, I tried to catch the original photos of the other watch that was also shown, but I think that watch actually looks just like this one, right? Exactly like this one, and I'm gonna tell you why in a second, right? And it's a really good look. It's not a bad look at all, but they still left one image up there, and that's gonna be the rose gold. Now, this one here is the 42mm, which is the 1.2-inch display. Now, if you look at this smartwatch, it really looks like the Gear Frontier shrunken down. I mean, if you look at the button placement, it looks just like it. It's still a good look, not bad at all. It's a rose gold. I'm not particular to rose gold. It's not my flavor, right? But I know some of you ladies, most of you ladies, and some of you guys are gonna love the look of this smartwatch. It does look good, don't get me wrong. It does look good. Now, if you look around the bezel of the watch, you can see the ridges, which means that we're keeping, yes, the rotating bezel, and that's not a bad look at all. But if you look right on the bezel, you can see that it has some type of design. It's not a bad look at all. It kind of favors, again, the Gear Frontier. What do you think? I think this is not a bad look, but they also got this placed right alongside with the Gear Sport wireless charging. And also, now if you want to go and check this out, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below, so you can go ahead right to the Samsung page and have a closer look for yourself. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And as always, I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.